Hi family, I am so glad you're here today to watch this tutorial. Welcome back to another episode of styling your old mini twist or fresh looking mini twist with me. So basically what we are doing today is creating something really cute. I love bangs and that's what we are going to try with our natural hair. So we're going to make two side bantu knots and we're almost done with one bantu knot. We're going to just hold this down using a rubber band because I want it to sit in place. I am going to accessorize my hair using cowries. What I'm doing now is separating the hair I want at the front of my head from the ones I'll be making the bantu knots with. So now you're just going to twirl the hair you want to make bantu knots with. Just twirl the hair, you don't have to twist it. Twirl it and take it round in circular motions. Make sure it's underneath and not on top. You get, so just do it this way. And I'm going to hold mine down using a rubber band because my hair isn't that long and I want this to just stay in place. I don't have to keep doing this, all the time. And this is it. That's why I said it's pretty easy. And if it's too tight, all you have to do is drag it down a little bit. Now go ahead and add your accessories, your cowries or whatever type of accessory you have. Just tuck it there and it's going to stay right in place. This is really looking good. I truly hope you like this style because when I tried it, I loved it. So let me know in the comment section what you think. What are your thoughts? Are you going to try this style? Are you going to style your hair this way? And if you're looking forward to get your cowries, I'll be dropping a link in the description box so you can easily order it from Amazon. Yeah, so I signed up as an affiliate and I got in. So yeah, just to tell you that I'm so happy. I really hope you like this style. Cute, simple and easy. And the funny thing is, I've been wearing this style for a month now, which is a good thing. It's okay to wear protective styles for long. And I have new goods. I can see it every day, but I do not have the patience to sit down and retwist. I'm so lazy. Hey there, are you still contemplating on joining this family? I think this is a great time to click on the subscribe button to join the family so as not to miss any video I upload in the future. I think you should see this video and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now. Kisses.